In this video, I want to share with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon, Etsy, TeePublic, and Redbubble. If you like this kind of content and you get some kind of value from this video, make sure to hit that like button. Okay, let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is a sub-niche in the Easter niche. It's basically in the Passover niche. And the niche or the phrase is, I have more than 4 questions. If we look at the competition, we're going to see 910 results. And if we go to the third page, just to double check, and if I scroll down here, we are going to see that I have the third page checked off. So actually I went to the fourth this time. And when we scroll back up, we will see that there's still only 910 results for this phrase, I have more than 4 questions. And if we go back to the first page right here, we can take a look and see what some of the designs look like. And if we look at this one, for example, right here, we're going to see it was just uploaded February 21st, and it has a BSR of 519,000. And I saw another one down here as well. This one right here. This one was just uploaded a couple days ago, so March 23rd, 2023. This one is selling at 19 bucks with a 500,000 BSR. So we can see that this niche is selling and trending. If we go to Google to see when Passover is, because this is actually in Passover, if you want to know what the difference is. So Passover is celebrated by Jewish people, and Christians celebrate Easter, so that's the difference. And we're going to see that Passover, I just typed in when is Passover 2023, we're going to see that it's coming up. So it's going to be in the first half of April. And then if we go to Google just to see, like, just to double check, because like I always say, you want to make sure, you want to check to see why something might be trending, because you want to avoid anything that might be like a Taylor Swift song. We're seeing a lot of that stuff right now, or something to do with like a Netflix series. And when I type this phrase into Google, I don't see anything that pops up related to anything that can get us in trouble. And if we click on this next one here, this is one of the best designs right here, but here are some keywords that we can get. So you want to have, like, for example, obviously Passover, cedar, the phrase, I have more than 4 questions. But you also want to have things like, Jewish, Jew, humor. I don't know how to pronounce this word, but maybe this could be a good one to have in as well. So those are some keyword ideas. And then if we check on test to see if this phrase is trademarked, let me just go back here because I already checked, but we type in, I have more than 4 questions. We're going to see that nothing pops up for this phrase except this one right here. Now in my course that I'm going to talk to you about a little bit later, I teach you how to read trademarks so you can understand all of this stuff. If we go to Etsy and take a look at the competition on some of the other print-on-demand websites, we're going to see I have more than 4 questions is only showing 1,000 results. And if you do things like, put your listing on sale or on free shipping, that will help you get it bumped up more to the top of the page. Obviously, you can do Etsy ads as well. If we go to Redbubble, I noticed that this phrase is actually trending on Redbubble. So when it has a little arrow pointing up like the stock market, that means that it is trending. And for a trending niche to have only 363 results, that's really good for Redbubble. So this could be a good opportunity as well for us to get the design up on Redbubble. And when we check on TeePublic, we don't see the results, but we can just see what some of the designs look like. If you're looking for designs, you can actually just go to Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica, however you say it. I just typed in, I have more than 4 questions, and you can see we get some designs here. Now you do have to understand how the licensing works with Creative Fabrica. So if I just click on one of these listings right here, if it just says commercial use, then you can't just upload it as is. You have to use it as an element, and you have to add in other stuff, other text, other clip art, things like that. But if it says commercial and full POD usage allowed, then you can just take this design, you can upload onto Merch, Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, all the print-on-demand platforms, but it just has to say full POD usage allowed for you to be able to do that. If you're interested in signing up for Creative Fabrica, I have an affiliate link in my description. So you just go to any one of my videos, underneath where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see Creative Fabrica. This is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up with them, I do get a commission. Right now, Creative Fabrica has a deal like where it's only like 59 bucks for the year. It's only $5 a month, and you get a whole bunch of stuff with Creative Fabrica, not just t-shirt designs and clip art, but you also get, you know, the AI Spark, which is really cool. You also get fonts, courses, things like that. So really good value for only $5 a month. If you're interested, check out the link. And then if we go to Gumroad, I'm actually, if you're like struggling to sell, if you're struggling to make sales on Merch by Amazon, or if you're just like a beginner and you're looking for some guidance, I have some courses that might help you. So right here, this is my Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch. It's only $9.99. You get 16 lessons. It's over an hour of content. If we go to the next one, I actually have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. 10 bucks, 20 lessons. And then I also have one for Etsy. Everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. These courses are good for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch, Redbubble, Etsy, or for beginners. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales, and I've made over $38,000 in royalties. For Redbubble, my credentials over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. And my best month was last year in June, where I did 317. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel. I make videos on a regular basis, just showing like, basically my channel is about like niches. So I show you like trendy niches, evergreen niches, design ideas, you know, because a lot of times people might not know what to design for. So you can come to my channel, get some ideas, start designing. I got this playlist right here if you're looking for more ideas. So check it out, subscribe, click the bell. And if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, so that's going to be the video for today, or the niche for today. It is a Passover niche. Remember, Passover is coming up, so if you want to get into this niche, get your designs up quickly. Make sure you get them on all platforms. They look like maybe Redbubble might be the best opportunity. But who knows, Etsy also is good as well. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.